Introducing AIM Weapon Grade CLP, formulated with non-toxic, non-hazardous, and odor-free goodness for superior firearm maintenance. This phenomenal oil is here to clean, lubricate, and protect your beloved arms in just one epic step. It couldn't be easier. First, ensure your Pew-Pew is unloaded and safe to handle. Disassemble your gun. And apply AIM Weapon Grade CLP to all the necessary points on your arms. Continue wiping the area until little to no carbon debris is showing on the cleaning cloth. Apply one last layer of CLP goodness. Remove excess lubricants. And reassemble. AIM Weapon Grade CLP harnesses the science of ionic and nanotechnologies, packed with a biosynthetic oil to keep your arms the quintessence of all firearms. Pew-Pew